They say all good things must come to an end. And so has season 4 of India's biggest marketing show, Kiska Brand Bajega. As we bid farewell to yet another remarkable season, let's reflect on what made this season truly special. From heartwarming stories to jaw-dropping moments, from young blood to seasoned professionals, let's embark on a journey through the highlights of season 4 in our exclusive finale segment. Kiska Brand Bajega season 4 witnessed some unforgettable moments with our favorite celebrities, some of which became the talk of the town after the episodes aired. From triumphs to trials, let's recap the highs and the lows that made this season one for the books. Would you be, let's say if a brand comes to you and your two lovely sons and says, okay, given you have Madhuri with her two children in an ad, would you be open to sharing that personal space?
I would be thrilled.
You'll be thrilled, but
Yeah,
would they?
but would they be thrilled? We have to ask them that.
एक्टिंग तो एक झूठ होता है जो आपको स्क्रीन पे झूठ बोलना पड़ता है, बट किस तरह से आप उसे अपनाते हो? How do you make it real?
A lot of the films I've done had me in very powerful roles.
Right.
Like maybe Dil, Beta, Raja, Prem Granth, Dil To Pagal Hai, or Tezab. The whole attitude of that girl was very different towards her father, because her father thinks that she's the golden goose. And there are a lot of scenes between us when I say, "Main ek budde ki laundiya ho gayi," and all those words were like very strange to me.
It was the year of Masan, and Masan, collecting all these accolades in the Cannes Film Festival really helped me. But I don't think I'll ever forget the experience of being in Marrakesh, because Mr. Francis Ford Coppola was the president of the jury. He made The Godfather. He's like Apocalypse Now. He's the god of cinema. And I think it really helped me to hang out with such amazing legends whose brains I could pick at. Even in Nara, it's a festival that is curated, put together and funded by Naomi Kawase, a legendary Japanese film director. And then you see, you fly out of Bombay and you look at Bombay and you look at the beach and things. And then you realize even the Asian market is so huge. There's Korea, there's South Korea, there's Taiwan, there's Japan, there's China. The world is teeming with possibilities.
I'm sure.
In terms of content, You must have figured out by now I'm a complete nerd.
It is not an easy industry. From every technician, every actor, every writer, every person who's associated with any TV show. I say it with utmost pride that we work harder than anybody.
True that.
And without equal acknowledgement from government is concerned. Why aren't there national awards for television?
My journey was so special because people could see that you can start from here and then come here. Yeah. It's not impossible. True. And mine is even more special because I'm not even from here. So people are they feel motivated and inspired. For me, when I sat on that chair as a judge and watched those contestants and, gave the comments that I gave, I totally could relate to them because I was there, just 5 years ago.
My journey has been from the lowest of the low. My experience is very vast. I don't need to go to a chawl to understand how the people of the chawl are living, right?
Sure.
Research I don't do. Imagination, yes, definitely I use. I try to give a new kind of interpretation to all the characters that I do.
Shah Rukh's wife was my student. And one day I got a phone from Gauri Singh, come home, no, Shah Rukh wants to meet you. I said, for what? Then he called me for dinner. He said, there's a movie called Dil To Pagal Hai. I said, oh, nice, great. I said, no, but I wanted to choreograph it. I said, are you mad? I said, Shah Rukh, my style, your movie will flop. It's too Western, it's never going to work. No, I want it, I don't care. There's Madhuri, there's Karishma. Yash Uncle said you can use your own dancers, this, that. But I remind him of this conversation. Yeah, I remember, he tells me. No, it was actually because of Shah Rukh's forcing me and Yash Uncle's mad love for me. And then I started Lege, then Chak Tum Dum, then Are Re Re, then that Jugal Bandi with Karishma and Madhuri.
The Dance of Envy.
Yeah, but it was really because of Yash Uncle and Shah Rukh, because I would have never done it. That was what made me get into choreography.
Think you know everything about your favorite celebrities? Well, think again. This goes for me too. In this segment, we'll revisit some fascinating facts about our stars that we never knew existed as they spill the beans on this very show.
I was the stand-in model because with Prahlad, every time someone would not turn up, it would be me. Raveena ko khada kar do, her face is fine. I was in the college canteen and I came in and I said, guess who I got offered a film with? And they said, who? I said, Salman Khan. And all my friends were like, yeah. Please यार तू ये फिल्म हाँ कर दे उसके बाद तू मना कर दे तू इंडस्ट्री छोड़ दे तू कुछ भी कर दे but just say yes to this film. So I said yes. Next day I did the photo shoot with Salman and third day I was facing the camera. It was literally like that.
I have literally had every single job that you could think of. I have worked as a babysitter. I've worked as a tutor. I have thrown newspaper. Like I've done, you know, just about anything you could think of. My husband came to me and he said that they want you to be on the show. And I said, absolutely not. Are you crazy? But the name of the game was to keep working. If you do a Google search on somebody's phone right now and put my name pinned against anybody else's, as far as brands go or a celebrity-based brand, mine is above and beyond.
It's been a wonderful journey, to be honest. It's all a result of manifestation, I feel. There was a time when I was doing chartered accountancy. I cleared my CPT and my IPCC, but inside there was this, boy who really wanted to be on stage in front of the camera.
And also, the women in my family have all been businesswomen. My grandmother, she was, an entrepreneur herself. My mother, my bua, my nani, all working women. So I think for me, business was always where the passion and the heart lies. I actually just went to Punjab and we met with a bunch of our dealers and our farmers and very social media savvy. They have like thousands of followers on YouTube and something that I didn't realize was, but you have something called tractor influencers. So you have these pages on YouTube like Tractor Gyan and Tractor Junction, which are basically social media influencers, but for the tractor world. And they are very savvy online. And that is a whole world that I did not know existed.
Like I treat all my characters as my lovers, like I love them. Like, whenever the film is done, I feel it's like a breakup.
Do you know Sharmila ji?
Right.
I worked with her in a film called Swati.
Oh, I wasn't.
I worked with her in that film and she taught me a very big lesson.
Okay.
I went on the set and all my nail paint was chipped. Yeah, it was chipped because I didn't care at that time. It was like, oh, I get to do films and I was like, la, 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 la. So I used to just go the way I was on the set. And she looked at me, she said, you are going to be a star.
Okay.
And you cannot go on a set with chipped nail paint. You have to be sophisticated. You have to take care of everything. Now you're an actress. You're a film actress. And I remember that. And whenever I step out of the house, I first check my nails now.
Starting as a child actor to becoming one of the most sought-after artists in the industry today, how has your journey been?
I think I was blessed to be born to a father like Anil Ganguly.
Yeah.
And who kept us grounded despite, being this hotshot filmmaker at that time. I was blessed to be born to him because I would get to spend my time on the sets. For our vacations, we would be at Vaman Guru's, the legends. Unke editing room mein learning editing. Ke ek frame kato, chipkao. Of course, Vaman uncle hi karte the, par bahar Guru uncle ke saath mein, we used to be sticking those films. So that smell of films and then going to film center, then wahan par there was this preview room with Tiger Uncle and we would see movies there. Like films are something that I have, it's my life. I wouldn't know what else to do.
Right.
So when they say somebody's learned acting from somewhere, somebody's learned acting from somewhere, I've learned everything from my father.
From hilarious memes to moving messages, the season 4 finale of Kiska Brand Bajega made our guests go LOL, LLMAO. Let's scroll through the best reactions that lit up the show.
Yes, I've seen this.
Seen these memes?
So many people send me this on WhatsApp and other things. I have also reposted this on my stories once. Is Juma ke niche milegi sha. This is my most favorite comment.
इस लड़के के लिए कितना दहेज लगेगा?
So we spoke about this on the podcast. Sure. We spoke about the term jayaing, which is like a pop culture term now that people use.
तुम्हारे तरह बीवी मिल जाए तो घर का सारा काम मैं ही कर लूंगा. हाय, आप ही कर लो यार शादी मुझसे.
Yeah, because without him, I'm Madhuri.
Changing my name to Anupama because that's the only way to get attention. How sweet.
Abs दिखाओ sir, talent तो बहुत देख लिया. What is that?
There's actually a comment that has come on your feed.
Actually आपको दूसरों से बोलना चाहिए. Abs तो बहुत देख लिया, अब talent दिखाओ.
Our most talked about segment, Guess the Price, showed us some funny guesses. While some were closest to the mark, some missed the mark by a mile. This special segment was dedicated to the art of guessing. Let's have a look of how they scored.
Weight Watcher. Why would anyone wear this? This should be like 600.
Yeah, we'll see. Have a look.
What?
Much more than that.
Well, oh my gosh, this is toilet golf. In my head, I'm going to double the number.
Okay.
So 1,500 rupees. Oh my God!
Now it's half.
Grape cutter. 450. Not
again.
bad.
Close again.
So do I win if I'm close?
The love of the audience.
Cooling fan with chopsticks. पहले chopstick पकड़ना तो सीख लो. पंखा कहाँ लटकाऊंगा?
Are you scared of ghosts?
No.
No.
I'm quite open to meeting, interacting with ghosts. I don't mind. There is a pillow?
Yeah, it's called the boyfriend arm pillow.
I don't need a boyfriend anymore.
Yeah, you don't need a boyfriend anymore.
I'm so happy this is available.
Keysing bangle. It's a very Marwadi friendly product. I want to say I have lots of Marwadi friends and they have this thing.
Okay.
I don't know, since everything has been so expensive in the product range, I would say this is for $14.99.
Lovely.
But no, not one I got
But that's
correctly.
fine. A phone fan. Again, don't ask me what could be the relevance, but yeah, how much do you think a phone fan would cost?
ये भी 200 300.
300. Okay, let's see. All right, bang on. There's one thing that Rupali Gandhi, I'm sure Asus is guessing the price.
Sure, brother.
These are not made up products.
500 rupees?
500 rupees.
Why is it so expensive? And
Let's find that out.
the jeans are so cheap.
The tissue paper hat. Especially.
Are you serious this happens?
This is a product, Shama. We're not joking. And this has a price in Indian rupees.
Again, 500 bucks?
300 bucks? 900.
Yeah.
Okay. Our team went all gung-ho with artificial intelligence in creating some of the best creative pieces for our celebrity guests. And this segment witnessed the most hilarious and unexpected reactions for them. It was fun then and still is. Let's have a look.
Wow. Oh my God.
Would you like to play Nargis?
I would love to. I mean, I think she was so iconic because she is that one actor which made all the women in the industry realize that the concept of women-oriented super hit films started with Mother India, I think.
Yeah.
It's high time because she's, I think, iconic in her own way in everything that she's done.
Sunny's favorite food?
Ooh, it's Mexican food. What's she gonna say? It's avocado toast, isn't it? Oh, I do love avocado toast.
Listen, this is wild.
Great thought, right?
My God, can you send this to me?
Of course.
Can I please really put it on my digital platform and just put it out there because I am obsessed with her.
Huge responsibility.
Huge responsibility.
Very big. I mean, all of them are huge responsibility, but this is the first superstar of India. What we are all trying to achieve. As Shah Rukh sir said, he's the last. This is the first. If I get a chance, I will put my life and my soul into it.
Yeah, who would not want to be a professional pet cuddler? I would give up my current profession to do this. Oh my God.
She was one of the
Punekar.
first Lavani performer in Maharashtra.
God. I'll kill it. I'll just go watch all the Lavnis ma'am has done before. And the Nazakat and the Adai, I would love to do it.
Saroji. Oh my God. I don't think I can play Saroji.
You'll not be able to play.
Where will you get Madhuri for that?
Oh, this is Gulzar Saab. That's very good work by your team. Really, I must tell you. You should send it to Gulzar Saab. Yeah, I would like to play him. What a fascinating personality. What a knowledgeable man.
Hamilton. Oh my God. But outstandingly done, I must say, huh?
The community of women focused on body
Beautiful.
positivity.
Beautiful.
And I'm sure you've lived that journey.
Oh
It's
my
called
God, I
Gold
love
Butterflies.
it.
with the tagline which is fluttering with confidence.
So one second, this is like all AI generated.
No, we created that.
Oh
actually.
my God,
Yeah, Kiska
no.
Brand Bajega has created all of this as suggestions for you.
With homemakers who follow their passion while taking care of their family. It's an extension of your personality.
I love this. See, I'm getting goosebumps. I'm actually getting goosebumps.
That because this
I've been wanting to do something more, and especially for the homemakers,
and
who
this
are the
could-
most,
absolutely.
they're the least acknowledged.
and
If they
put
put it
them on a
back-
pedestal because
Yes,
I think
totally. They deserve to be.
and you being their voice makes so much sense,
Oh,
right? And we call this Golden Encore, where because again you come from roots of acting. You've done theatre, you've done films, you've done television. What if you get back into the lives of people who are into old age homes and probably do a small workshop with them? A community that promotes inclusivity and body positivity through dance.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
Because today it's the need of the hour.
Absolutely.
So we are calling it
Oh, nice.
Empower dance.
Empower dance, yes.
Dance
Really love yourself. And most important is be yourself no matter what they say.
Sure.
That's my Sting song.
Lights, camera, sell. They are pro at acting, but were they pro at selling? Let's check it out in the recap of our selling segment. From pitch perfect performances to laugh out loud mishaps, let's see which stars shone the brightest in this challenge. So the first one, Nagma Khatun from Gangs of
Nagma
Wasseypur.
Khatun from Gangs of Wasseypur has to sell a shampoo.
Right.
So Nagma was from Bihar. Okay, let's go. नमस्ते आदाब. हम हैं नगमा खातून. आपसे कहना चाह रहे हैं जब घर में पानी ख़त्म हो जाए तो ई वाला लगा लीजिएगा अपने सर पे और थोड़ा हैंडपम्प के नीचे थोड़ा थोड़ा जो बूंद आता है उसी से आप लोग झाग बना लेंगी. तो ये क्या है कि सर में जितना मिट्टी, मैल, जुआ, डेंड्रफ सबको निकाल देगा. हमारा तो 4 बच्चा है तो हम सभी का बाल इसी से धोता है और पूरा महीना हमको चल जाता है. बहुत किफ़ायती पड़ता है.
We're going to have you sell a product, and that's cheese. Right? And the line is to cheese badi hai mast mast. It's as corny as
How
it can
corny
get.
could you? That's exactly the word.
But.
Help me sell corn syrup with this corny line.
But we need to have you do this in 3 different ways, right? First is in a romantic manner, right? Cheese badi hai mast mast in a romance.
Tu cheese badi hai, mast mast. And I love you, cheese. You set my heart on fire.
Right, to sell a screwdriver in a romantic manner.
ये प्रोडक्ट आपकी लाइफ बहुत ही आसान बनाएगा. मैं इससे इतना ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ क्योंकि मेरी पेंटिंग्स लटकाने से, मेरे फर्नीचर फिक्स करने से, ये स्टर्डी प्रोडक्ट हर चीज़ में मेरी हेल्प करता है. अगर ये नहीं होता तो शायद मैं नहीं होती.
Wow, that's as romantic as we can get. Pressure cooker, but
रोमांस रोमांटिक अवतार. तो ये है ये कमाल का कुकर. ये देखिए इसके एजेस इतने सॉफ्ट, इतने स्मूथ, इतने ब्यूटीफुल. इसे अपने हाथों में पकड़ सकते हैं, एक हाथ में भी पकड़ सकते हैं. इसकी सीटी को ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे भी कर सकते हैं. ये लीजिए कुकर और पकाइए अपना रोमांस और पकाइए ऐसा खाना जो आपके पेट और दिल दोनों तक पहुंचे.
Chandramukhi from Devdas.
I could say, Dev Babu, आप ही शराब पीना छोड़ दीजिए.
A knife which is a butter knife as Bhikkhu Matre.
एकदम मक्खन है ये. ऐसे आतड़ी में जो इधर को मारेगा, यहाँ मारेगा अगर तो फक से घुसेगा. यहाँ मारेगा तो थोड़ा सा घुमाना पड़ेगा, फिर अंदर घुसेगा. और यहाँ पे लेकर के मुट्ठी के मारेगा, भक से घुसेगा. तो इतना बढ़िया मक्खन जैसा ये चाकू है. उसके अलावा अगर इसको कभी भी कहीं भी नहीं घुसाया तो सुबह छोटा सा मक्खन लेने का और पाव लेने का और मक्खन को ऐसे मक्खन की तरह उठा के पाव पे लगाने का और पाव को खाने का. पाव मक्खन. जब आदमी को नहीं मारा तो पाव को मारा मक्खन से.
भोली फुकरे. भोली, what would भोली do? सुन बे, ये शैम्पू है ना, तुझे तो पता है मैं स्टाइल की बड़ी पर्टिकुलर हूँ, रोज जाती हूँ सलून। तो ये जो शैम्पू है ना, इससे बेहतर चीज़ अगर मार्केट में मिले तो मैं अपना नाम भोली से बदल के भोला कर दूंगी। बाकी जिस किसी के बाल अच्छे नहीं है उनको मैंने वैसे ही टकला करा के रखा है, तो मेरी बात मान ले और ये शैम्पू तू लगा ले अपने सर पे, ठीक है?
That was amazing, Isha Chadda. As we bring the curtain down on yet another unforgettable season of Kiska Brand Bajega, we want to thank you for joining us, for becoming a part of this incredible journey. I hope you laughed with us, gained some insights, and had a lot of fun. But don't worry, the fun doesn't end here. While Kiska Brand Bajega will continue its legacy, stay tuned for the return of Celebrity Edition coming your way very soon. Till then, this is Aditya Bhatt signing off. Take care. Happy marketing.